People, in terms of contacting us, will either give us a call or drop into a showroom. We have an ebook which they can download to get information from, so they don't even need to talk to us at that stage. You just want to gather information. Visiting a showroom from there is an important next step. We've got multiple kitchens on display with multiple style and themes. Once people come into a showroom, your decision from there is whether you'd like to have a conversation with one of our designers. It's all about the visit with the designer over a cup of coffee in your house to work out how your home works and what's important to you. What would make this your dream kitchen? Whether you cook or whether you're doing a kitchen because the house just needs a kitchen if you're going to sell it at some stage. So sitting down with the designer is really critical. The designer will go through a design process of designing based on the conversations they have with you. So if I was to summarise a bit of a philosophy on what we do, we make the kitchen work as very best it can, and then we dress it up in terms of finishes, whether the door's a flat door or it's got a profile in it. Once you, the designer, and you settle on a design, then obviously we cost that. What we won't do is just assume what you want to spend and try and show you the minimum amount. We'd like to expose you to as much as you can so that you make the decisions and you're informed. If you want to spend more, fantastic, we'll show you how you can. If you need to spend less, we'll show you where you can genuinely save it, but without cutting corners. We don't do a cheaper kitchen to get your business. Once you choose to engage us, we provide all the documentation, the domestic building contracts, domestic buildings warranty insurances, and all of the consumer protection documentation, and just to make sure the end result is right and that we're all friends today and 10 years' time.